If you want to add a photo to a contact on a Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Now, once you open the phone app, then over here we should be able to go to the contacts list by either tapping on View Contacts here, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and you can go to Contacts in this place. Now, we should be able to choose the contact for which we want to add a picture or set a picture. Now over here we can tap on this pen in the upper right corner and then tap on the current picture over here. Then you can, for example, open the camera to take a picture right now and set it as a contact for photo for the contact. You can also open the gallery and to choose a picture from there. You can also go to Google Photos, Monogram, and Illustrations. Then over here we can, let's say I'm gonna use the gallery. And then we should be able to choose whichever photo we want to set for that contact. So let's say I'm going to choose this one and tap on Done. You can zoom in and zoom out, move around as well to adjust the photo. Then you should be able to tap on this button here to rotate the photo in case you need that, and tap on Choose to set up the picture. Once you are done, tap on Save in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.